Hello and welcome. My name is Suzanne Gales. I'm a Leggett agent and we are here today in this little green valley to discover this lovely property in Golden Stone, comprised of a main house, big gîte just behind me and a smaller gîte just on the end. So it is formed like a longère with some outbuildings, nearly 4.5 hectares of meadow and foresty bits, swimming pool and a little wooden chalet that can be used. The owners here have restored it and they wish to greet their clients in the conditions that they would have wanted to have found gîtes. So they have done them with the very best quality of work and equipment. So the two gîtes, one has 3 bedrooms in it, the other one has 2 bedrooms. So that leaves lots of capacity for people. They have a really good turnover. They're mainly operational at the moment in June, July and August. Today actually the main gîte is actually occupied, but the quality of it is the same as the small one. The main house has also been done in beautiful quality of equipment and workmanship with underfloor heating in the big living area. It also has a bedroom and bathroom on the ground floor and then 2 extra bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. Downstairs is a lovely large sitting room with a door to the front and back and a fireplace for nice, cool days during the summer or cosy days during the winter. The courtyard is a lovely space, and also you can see the bedrock as you could in the downstairs sitting room. It has a little bread oven and a little barn with a lovely sitting area to one side under a beautiful oak tree and walnut tree where it is lovely and cool in the summer. On the property there is also a little secret garden that the current owners have not exploited. So do contact me if you would like to have more information or book a viewing. You will find a link below the video. So thank you very much for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.